So we're on the train from Budapest, heading back to Prague. I'm bored because we've been on the train for like 6.5 hours, and I'm really ready just to be there. So, this is the train. This is the countryside in Czech Republic. Take a look at it. It's beautiful. Would you like to say hello, Jillian? This is Jillian.
I'm vlogging on Friday. And it's hurting my eyes because the train is like... but it's okay because we're almost there.
It's pretty shaky, but did you enjoy your weekend in Budapest?
Oh yeah.
You can go read about it in the blog later.
Yeah, no, I liked the spa when we finally got there. It was nice. We should have just gotten straight there.
We should have. You guys will read about the other adventures we had
Yeah.
on the way. Are you ready to be in back in Prague?
Yes, it's safer there. Less scary and more people speak English.
Yes. So get there. Okay. Patrick, would you like to add anything?
I never thought I'd say this, but actually this Prague. That's all I have to say.
Yeah. That's beautiful. Thank you. Alright. Bye everyone.